paidbah da kawe kasur ulapan i da kakamba isih iaka sorkar kabayalam NPP hajala Meghalaya hakaba habaro artili ki parliamentary constituency la job da kaliang pyrshah. Saling is sangma ukertong ke Congress ula job natura parliamentary seat da kaba penlim ya ka agatha ki sangma da ka shilak sanpusan hajar arspa saupuwe votes hadin ba ulayo lailak prapulai hajar kendai spa kendai votes ka agatha kalayo arlak arpupra hajar newspa nyopupra votes zenit sangma ka AITC ulayo sapupra hajar nyospa kendai votes but uleben CH marak hendreu hajar kendai spa shipo vote. Habapha Shaka Shillong parliamentary seat ukertong ka Voice of the People Party VPP Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ulayo palat sanlak nyopue hajar nyopupra votes ukertong ka Congress Vincent H. Pala shilak kenda hajar shispa nrepupra votes ka Dr. Mizel Amprin Lingdo kertong National People's Party NPP kalayo shilak prapundreu hajar sauspa prapupra votes Robert Jun Kharjarin kertong United Democratic Party sapusau hajar sanspa nrepulai votes. Professor Lakhon Kama Independent khatpra hajar sanspa prapu ar votes but Peter Shalam Independent henyo hajar arpsa votes nota khatwe hajar pra votes. Ka jingjob ka VPP kade ka jingklei jongka ya ka joban lak ban penduk pendam ya ka bamsap bampang hajala. Katba hatura ka jingliam ka NPP kadai na ka jingra ya trailang ka BJP bat ka NPP ka balapan hera arsut ya ka NPP.
They keep in.
It's a total miracle for us actually. We never expected that we will be winning with this huge margin, but it seems like there is a divine motivation, and I want to praise the Lord for that.
What is your message to the people of Garo Hills? Because you have won nearly in all the 24 constituencies.
Since they have already had a hope with me, I'll definitely try to deliver whatever I can with truth and then, sincerity. I think they need a change. Maybe that's the reason why. Because it's very, very long time that nobody could have changed them. But it's the people who have, made their choice, and then they have decided to, take a change. Yeah, because the God was with me. Of course, when God was with me, definitely everybody will have that confidence.
Right.
Not only me.
So there's obviously anti-incumbency, right, on the sitting MP at the moment. Why do you think that's happening?
I won't say anti-incumbency or, a sort fall like that. But if the people is willing to change, definitely they do the change.
And who do you attribute this big win to, sir?
Public, and then all those workers like Madam Deora, Auntie Ferlin, all of them. And then, first of all, I would like to give my condolences those who has already, those who are not here even after.
Well, as you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party, and we will follow that vision. Well, first of all, let us remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party, we sit and take a decision. You said BJP is doing good, but actually they are not doing.
But they are forming government.
Whatever. Okay. Yes. Well, we have our own stand, and we will stick to our principle, right, as a party.
Tang arsnem ka parti kan angka, terang loko bukulung berasal dari pulau Yai, banang Yai diem mo. Dan rai kat ni kejeng it berkejeng sania. Nata dah ngapan kan mau ledi, ngapan kan mau di parang ngelam, bangin umla ban le sting, nani ban klet iki ke bangin keluar, bat kham tam ya kejeng it berkejeng sania. Martang kejeng it sania ban yo hiang ke ka bah, kanu tam yo kejeng it berkejeng sania sabar. Tekan ni ke paidbah sania uye niru ni hawa pendep ban pen dep kita kejeng tumbuh kejeng humility, long aspiration. Mo jongki paidbah jongka celah hi bro. Ya kaban share ni ke pori kejeng job jongki. Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ban mi khmat nang Syllad parliamentary seat ka bani kong do khalong ba ngai kong kadam kanam kaburom yo play bola sngap ya kijing duai kijing o jingnam jing babon bar bola sha ru ni bangilek ban bret tang ya ki sembo ki bari ki sambai jong ka hop kijing sha bat mi da smu sarong ba ka Syllad parliamentary seat kala penjok shisha klub ka pisa bat da kanong rim kata di kijing job bar ka baar kijing job kalau enggak ngiyo ya kajing ni kan dikadak jong je tali kebelasang ban lum balang apo ke jalam jipa arden bila bersama com presiden barang ba jong kaseng barban ningit scam hiru lembah ke jene jong i ba lembah ke jipen kup ke jong i da kajing soret haladi ublai unsei i sisir kasngi ko menong elam jong ka jai penriu hi ke bat kaniru kadai ka wei par kajing job ka ba ngiyo kalong ba kajing job jong i Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon pi kane gade gadak wa paidbah kilangnya kila thaj kila jelab kimdon jing shania ashu mangna da banmar san puar tadi sinem langi phai po jala langi phai ki wei pat banta jong election ke MP sa Lok Sabha mong lai ke ka kam ka ki wei kila contribute ai re banong kata namar kia kerem bitang ke development kongsan gadi ki issue development gadi bandon sustainable development nang ban ra ka kio karoi ka kio umdai karoi ka pa jadi lo ni nongrem ni ba ki paidbah ki ki shania ba kita khmi dan ti sisa ba inio ya ban ra ka thong jing job la job ani ka kanti apre ka jing job omdai nampai doktor reki umdai tak VP gadi ka jing job ya ka jalai berkoi berkham ta man jakan
Kay ka thong jaga VPP nang nisakna.
ka thong ka jong hi ka long ba nin padap hok la jong ka kamram ka deiti ba ke jing ke ba ke ka bang kular khau pai ba kani ka dei ka bang lai i lembak kidak kisin ka boleh lapan pau kidak jong ka jing job kidak jong ka jing kermen kidak ki banyalam i sa ka thong jing job lembak ki khlung khnai bang padon ka vot lembak ki teman ki kro ki bangla ban yeng su ndai ki sat lembak ka jing ruai ka pen ki ka man si ma jong ki kani ka dei ka bang lai i lupa kidak kisin bagi babun ba ki baron sabar juga state ru yong ba le ai si bunyo ban thabi ka vot kani de ka dak kisin boleh lapan pau ka bade ka dak jong ka jing kermen ba ka jing job